How to delete emails in bulk on Gmail. Step 1. Open Gmail. Step 2. Click the box in the top left corner. This will select everything on the page. Step 3. Click on the words Select All Conversations button above the tabs Primary, Social, and Promotions. There will be a number of conversations to the left of these words, which tells you how many emails you have selected. Step 4. Click the trash can or delete button. Step 5. Select OK to confirm deleting messages. If you want to delete certain mail from one source in bulk, you'd search the mail source you want to delete in bulk, such as LinkedIn. To do that, you search the email source you want to delete in bulk. Click on the box on the top left corner. This will select everything. Select all conversations. Select delete, then hit OK on confirm bulk action. To clear the messages entirely from your Gmail, you scroll down on the left-hand symbols, find the trash symbol, and if it's not there, click more and keep scrolling till you find it. Go to the box on the top left corner, select delete forever to confirm deleting messages. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.